Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are looking at how to schedule your computer to shut down automatically using the Windows Task Scheduler. First, open the Task Scheduler by searching it in the Start menu. And alternatively, you can also type the program name in the Run and open it. Now navigate to the Action menu, select Create Basic Task, and let's give our task a name, something like Auto Shutdown or Shutdown after 2 hours. Click on the Next, and here you can select the time when the shutdown happens. You can schedule it daily, weekly, or just one time. After selecting your preference, set the exact time for the shutdown. Hit next once you are done. In the action section, choose start a program. This is where we will input the shutdown command. Click next. In the program box, type shutdown. In the argument section, type /s/f/t. Set the time you want to shut down your computer. Click next. Review your settings, and if everything looks good, click finish. And that's it. You now know how to schedule a computer to shut down automatically using Task Scheduler. Now if you want to check your task, click on the Task Scheduler library, and here you have it, your task running in the background.